Hey queens, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You are most welcome to my channel once again. If you are new here, you are highly welcome to Designs by Osil. As always know, this channel is your go-to destination for most stylish nail designs. So if you're a lover of beautiful nails, please do subscribe to this channel. Also turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out subsequent videos. Thank you so much as you join us. So my ladies, today we have carefully selected a very unique and trending water marble nail designs for my ladies. These nails are so classy and elegant. I will urge you to watch this video from beginning to the end. If you're a lover of marble nail, please ensure not to miss any part of this video, for we have a very simple and unique nail art on each of the nails. Remember, we have it in different colors, different nail shapes. I mean, you definitely love this one. As you watch, please do select your favorite slide and also give this video a thumbs up so that it will reach a wider audience. Thank you so much. And if you have any other video idea that you want us to bring to the channel, please do go down to the comment section, tell us how you want it, and trust me, we'll definitely reply you, we'll attend to you. Okay, so my returning viewers, thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. Thanks for the engagement, thanks for the support. Trust me guys, we do not take for granted. God bless you guys, and please keep supporting us. See you guys in our next video. Bye.